Hey guys, welcome back to Buc-ee Adventures.
Hi.
So we are in
Leeds, Alabama, which is like a suburb of Birmingham.
Birmingham, yep. So we are going to a road trip or travelers destination or paradise sort of thing. So come with us. Okay, so we are at Buc-ee's. Yes, it is a massive gas station. If you look behind me, there are pumps
galore
everywhere. Oops, going the wrong way. They are right back there. They just keep going. And then they're way all the way back there. If you can see Bass Pro right here at the end of my finger. Okay, they go all the way down there. Nuts. So, you have anything to say?
I cannot wait to eat Christmas dinner.
Yes, it is Christmas time, hence my get up. But I always wear this on Christmas. But anyway, yeah, we're gonna go in there and check out some food and
maybe get a onesie.
Tempting.
Everything Buc-ee's.
Everything Buc-ee's.
For some reason.
That's weird. But yeah, so anything else you want to say about here before we go in there?
No, we're excited.
Yep. So we'll see you guys inside. We made it inside, and as you can see, it's very, very large. And we made it over here to the Buc-ee's inspired area where I picked up some heaven balls, or beaver nuggets as they're really called. But I'm really excited to try these. It's something I've been looking forward to, and it's our first food item we got. So stay tuned. So they even have a whole wall of snacks here with different nuts and jerkies and cheese puffs and different kinds of little snacks like that, coolers. They just have a whole lot of merch, as you can see. For example, like this hat that Ash just found. Holy cow, that thing's kind of cool, little trucker hat, and a stuffed animal Buc-ee. So they even have a bunch of apple butter and jellies here, as well as different preserves and cups, and they even have their own house blend coffee. I got myself a tumbler cup. I think it's pretty cool. I don't think I have red yet, so it says Buc-ee's. So we discovered that they make their own candy as well, and this is the area here. They have a different assortment of different kinds. And now I present to you the Christmas dinner. Pulled pork sandwiches galore, as well as Texas style briskets. Alright, so let's show some merch. Here's those stuffed animals again, and here's some slip-on shoes that have the Buc-ee logo all over them. They're pretty neat. And here's some throws that Ash is really excited about. I don't know if we're going to get one or not. Here's some hoodies, or a sweatshirt. Actually, that's not a hoodie. And then you've got a child's onesie, which they do come in adults as well, don't worry. Some pajamas, some joggers, some color changing tumblers. These are really cool. They change when they get cold. Backpacks, pillows, you name it. This area is large. It's massive. All in the same building as before. Coming over here, they've got some coffee mugs, some pint glasses, wine glasses, shot glasses, just with the typical Buc-ee's logo on it. And then we've got another area that's got some pajama bottoms, t-shirts, sweatshirts, and there's some more t-shirts right here. So yeah. All right, so we made it back into our hotel room, and before I go on, I'm doing all this from my phone because I'm an idiot and not paying attention, and I left SD cards all at home, so tomorrow I get to go into Walmart and buy a new one. But anyway, this is our haul from Buc-ee's. We're going to start from right to left. This is a grunt style shirt for me. It was $21.95. And then Ash got a not all who wander are lost. Some are looking for Buc-ee's. And it was $14.99. And this Buc-ee's shirt up here is for me, which is the same price as Ash's down here. And then I got myself a tumbler because I like these things. I use them for work a lot. And it's actually the first red one that I have, which is wild. How much was that?
$15.99.
That was
$14.99.
$14.99. That was $14.99. We got something for our ornament tree. So that says Buc-ee-licious. And then I got a patch for my range backpack. It says Freedom Fries on it. It was $5.99. Then our food. So we'll start with beaver nuggets. I have been told that these are the best things that you can get. They're the best snack that you can get at Buc-ee's or for a road trip or anything.
We don't even know what it is.
Yeah, we don't even know what they taste like or anything. I'm guessing there's some sort of like corn puff nugget sort of thing is my bet. And then we've got some cookie dough, edible cookie dough. And then I got like a charcuterie board. I got a charcuterie board sort of cup with pretzels and cheese and sausage in there. And then we each got a pulled pork sandwich. And we are going to split the brisket sandwich just to see what it tastes like. So what we're going to do is, this is our Christmas dinner. And we're going to try all of these and let you know how they are. Talk to you then. So we're each going to attack the pulled pork sandwich first. And that's the sliced brisket sandwich that she just set there. They come pre-packaged. Do not make the mistake like we did. There are other things to order in there besides this, but these are the main go-to things. They have little kiosk in there that you could order from, but these aren't from the kiosk. You just walk up, you grab it, and you walk out. We figured we'd do this instead of wait. So Ash is going to just go ahead and bite right on in, not waiting around as usual. And it's decent. It's edible. Okay. I'll take a bite here. Let's see. That's good. That's a good pulled pork sandwich. It really is.
Oh, this even got sauce on this one, the brisket.
Oh, nice.
So we got the brisket to split in half because we didn't know if we'd like it or not.
So, nope.
That's good.
Is it good?
I like that better.
Here,
That's good
you take
brisket.
this. Let me try this real quick since you think that's good.
Oh, that brisket's better.
Holy crap.
We should have got the other way.
We should have went the other way around, yeah. My goodness.
Well, brisket's usually dry.
Well, I'm not a big fan
And
of
it's not
brisket
dry.
usually, but like that, that's something to write home about when it comes to brisket.
Like, it's usually dry, and that's not dry at all.
No, it's delicious.
Definitely wish I got the other way around, but...
Yeah, if you're going to Buc-ee's, guys, we highly recommend the brisket sandwich over the pulled pork.
Yeah.
Unless you don't like brisket.
I don't know. I usually don't because it's dry, but that is not dry at all.
I'm telling you, I like brisket, but I'm not oh God, gotta go get brisket. Gotta have it. No, I'm not that kind of a person, but this right here, yeah, absolutely. So, I guess I should try the cheese.
Yeah.
I mean,
the sausage in there too, though.
Cheese is cheese. I'm gonna work my way around to this sausage real quick.
It's got cheese in it too.
It does. And it looks like it's got jalapeno in there too. Yep, it's jalapeno sausage.
Bummer. That's
Bummer
okay.
for Ash. I'm sorry. I should have paid attention. It does say help on it. All right. Well.
Was it spicy?
No.
Then
But
give me
it's
some.
good. It's going to be spicy for you.
Give me some.
All right.
Just take a bite of it.
Wow. Oh, boy. Oh, it's
Shoot.
got a late kick.
Shoot. It is spicy.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. She's going to need water.
To continue.
She's going to need water. Here we go. She's going to need water.
Dang it.
Okay. And then, of course, the pretzels. This is pretty good. Pretty good sausage.
Now that I'm kind of tasting this spice, it's not too terrible, but
No.
I do need something to drink.
I'll let you try the cookie dough.
Yeah, I can. That's not going to be spicy.
It's not going to be spicy.
Tastes like cookie dough.
Tastes like chocolate chip cookie dough. All right.
It's
Well-
good. I actually really like it.
That's good. Here is a beaver nugget, which I have heard called heaven balls before.
It's the regular one.
Oh wait, there's 2 of these. Yeah.
So there's more than
There
one.
are different flavors. So here, I'm gonna give Ash one.
It smells like caramel.
It does smell like caramel. Oh, you're just
Are we toasting or something?
You always just go right in. Like, here we go. Bang. Okay, actually, why these are good. You don't like caramel, but these are good. Like,
They're okay.
what are these?
I don't even know. They're beaver nuggets, babe.
These are delicious. I don't know what they're made of other than caramel, but they're
They have a
delicious.
strong caramel taste, though.
They do?
But it's not too bad. I don't think.
It's almost like, it's got that kettle corn taste, but it's not kettle popcorn. It's,
Look, a nugget.
yeah, I understand.
I'm not gonna.
I don't know what this is. It's good though, like really good. I highly recommend picking them up. I'm tempted to get other flavors, but these are delicious. So anyway, like we were saying before we forgot about the beaver nuggets, this is our Christmas dinner. So we are going to cut it short. It was a really short vlog. Thank you for tuning in, and do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe button, and that
Bell notification.
so you don't miss any of our adventures. So anyway, with that being said,
Bring on the next adventure.
bye guys, Merry
See ya.
Christmas.
Merry Christmas.